Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find and manage the settings on your account on Uber easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then click on this account, say on your account on your profile, and scroll down, and here you will find settings. As you see here, you will find the app settings that you can add home, add work, the shortcuts, the privacy, the appearance, accessibility. Here we find the safety settings. So that's it. That's how to find the settings, how to manage it. Here also you find your profile section, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.